Hi there. Are you tired of hustling day and night just to make a few sales online? Do you feel stuck creating endless content, launching products, or tweaking sales funnels, only to hear crickets? What if I told you there's a way to wake up to automated sales without the grind? Let's talk about how you can turn your skills into a 24/7 income machine, even if you're starting from zero. Here's the truth: most people burn out trying to sell high-ticket courses or coaching. They waste time on complicated strategies that never pay off. But what if you could skip the stress and start small? Imagine selling a simple $37 digital product, something you can create in hours, and watching it sell while you sleep. That's the power of the passive profits engine. Let me break it down for you. This system isn't about fancy tech skills, a huge audience, or months of work. It's designed for real people, the coaches, creators, freelancers, anyone with knowledge to share. Here's what it does for you. 1. No more guessing games. You'll get a step-by-step formula to find exactly what your audience wants to buy. No more creating products that flop. 2. Automate your sales. Use pre-built email scripts, DM templates, and sales copy that actually converts. Hit send and let the system do the work. 3. Launch fast. We're talking hours, not weeks. Bundle your expertise into a low-ticket product, like a PDF, checklist, or mini course, and get it selling ASAP. 4. Multiply your income without more traffic. There's a trick called offer stacking that lets you earn more from the same customers. And yes, it's included. But here's the best part: you don't need a big audience or a perfect website. One user started with just 52 email subscribers and made $1,655 in their first month. Another hit $32,906 per month by scaling their tiny digital products. This works because low-ticket items are easy to sell. People don't overthink a $37 purchase, they just buy. Worried about tech? Don't be. The Passive Profits engine comes with plug-and-play templates for everything: sales pages, email campaigns, even ChatGPT prompts to brainstorm product ideas. There's also a bonus money mindset training to help you ditch doubt and start pricing confidently. And the price? It's a no-brainer. For just $17, you're getting a full blueprint to build a real passive income stream. No risky investments. No complex launches. Just simple strategies that work while you focus on what matters: your life, your freedom, your peace of mind. So here's my question: what would you do if you had an extra $1,000, $3,000, or even $5,000 a month hitting your bank account on autopilot? Travel more? Spend time with family? Finally quit that side hustle you hate? The Passive Profits engine isn't just a course, it's your shortcut to freedom. Ready to get started? Click the link below to grab the Passive Profits engine for just $17. This price won't last forever, so don't wait. Every day you delay is another day of missed sales. Also see the bonuses I'm offering if you pick this up through me. Click the link below to see the bonus page. And hey, if this video helped you, do me a favor. Smash that like button, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and share this with a friend who needs passive income in their life. Oh, and subscribe. We've got more tips coming to help you build the life you deserve. Thanks for watching. Now go launch that product.